Hi everybody, congratulations. This is Janet and you made it to day 10. I love this and I hope you're, writing down all of the magnificent miracles that are happening in your life and, all of the things that you appreciate about yourself and others, and you know the drill by now, right? Okay, so yesterday we had you write down your 100th birthday speech, or the day that you did it, you wrote down your 100th birthday speech, yes. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to take that 100th birthday speech, all those luscious, wonderful, fabulous things that someone was sharing about you and all the great that you did for the world and all of the wonderful things that you accomplished. And we're going to melt it down. We're going to look at our 10-year vision now. Okay, we're going to take it down and we're going to just really hone in on what would your life look like, 10 years out. Okay, so this is what we want you to do, to write out your 10-year vision plan. And remember that, what you love and God's will for you, and when I say God, I mean nature, higher power, the universe, whatever name you want to put to that energy that is greater than yourself, is one and the same. So, just have a ball and, be that co-creator, take that brushstroke and just have wonderful fun creating your magnificent life.